Here's a great deal on a 2019 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.